I don't know Hindi, I don't know Gujarati. Many people are stuck and sitting over the place. But the Kesaria is giving you smooth conversation, online sales team, offline sales team. Hello everyone, I'm your Rani Subramanian here from KTC Manufacturers. So today also I brought for you new exclusive trending varieties. If I talk about these varieties, these collections are specially demanded for the party wear collections, and it started from India. Many women wears these lehengas, which we do have a manufacturer where we do have our own bridal lehengas as well as party wear lehengas. Especially if I talk about the lehengas which are exporting from India, especially these designer lehengas and the designer lehengas which are getting manufactured mostly based of Surat city, which is located in Gujarat state. And I request everyone, if you're really interested to invest on something, I want to take a double profit, you can invest on lehenga showroom. So watch this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. I'm going to show you many women apparels on based on the different segments. Today, as I said, I'm going to show you only party wear lehengas, which starts from only 400 rupees. What? Yes, only 400 rupees of factory cost, 400 rupees I can say, because it's getting manufactured at KTC, Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, biggest manufacturers which is located at Surat. You can also directly visit, which is Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building number 1, first floor. Morning to 9:30 to till 8:30 shop will be open. You can come, you can do enjoy your shopping. You can buy kurtis, you can buy lehengas, you can buy many more designer varieties of saris, party wear saris, ethnic wear. Options are there to start the business. So as I say, the party wear, I'm going to show you. If you located it out of India, quickly you can place an order. And these lehengas are selling up to 20,000, 30,000. Depend on your city and depend on your country, you can see your profit. The first pattern which you're seeing here, light lavender color. The fabric, if I talk about, it's a net fabric, and the handwork has pattern over here, and it's a satin, which is a cloth fabric which is given here, satin fabric, and the wiring work has been done on the pattern of the leaf pattern, and the entire chunky work and the wiring work has been done. These are lightweight. You can see here, this is a lightweight, and you can see here the mini can over here, the mini can with the lightweight of the party wear collections. Mostly the college girls and the youngsters are looking for these such varieties of unique printed. I need stylish, I need to go for mehndi celebration, I want to go for the evening parties, such girls are looking for new trendy stylish collections. Next color, which is a subtle color, which is awesome, I can say. In this I can tell you multi designer, which is silver coat based. Actually here you can see the wiring work, silver jerry work, stone work, and many thread work. Even the thread work also you can see here. Such a beautiful covered grand designer lehenga, which will give you a can also. There's a can, the heavy can you can see here. You see, this is a can, and this is a satin. You can see the layer, and this is which gives a ball gown shape. Such lehengas you can't buy at the retail at factory cost. You can directly buy from the manufacturers, because manufacturers are doing these lehengas and selling it factory cost. You can deal with manufacturers. You don't need to go for distributor. You don't need to run for a dealer, because the margins they are also buying from Surat. So you can directly deal with Kesaria. So you don't need to go anywhere. You can see profit and many quantities in a less amount. You can invest and you can purchase the collections. The next color, if I talk about the beautiful color combination, is exactly onion color. The ocean blue color combination has been given. It's such a sequence work, fully covered with the sequence work of the baby pink on the onion. See the color combination. We do have a designer department. They will work out on the system. They will see the designs. Many designs they'll keep in the option. Based on the fabric, the design will be get designed and it get ready, and then it will go to the market, and the observations will be done how this fabric and how this collection has been getting related. And these such lehengas are really exclusive collections. You can buy such a beautiful, only wiring mild thread work has been given and covered with the sequence work. See, there are multiple layers also. The layer which has been given stitched, actually you can see it. So these are the multiple layers, and on the, you can see on the hip, you can see the waist size. It comes like on the waist, the design which is coated like this. Every lehenga you will get this pattern, you will stitch it. Every pattern lehenga you will get the semi-stitched blouse, and there's a veil, and this is the lehenga. This is what you will get the lehenga, how it looks after wearing. So you have a multiple options. So I'm showing you this many more collections. And the next color, which is a light lavender color. In this, only white thread work has been highlighted. White thread work and with the sequence work and the wiring work. So this is also one of the pattern. See, such a beautiful, you have a multiple layers here. One, I can say, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 layers has been given here. And here, the curving design, the designer has been given here. See, such a beautiful designer cut. The mount cut has been given, and this is a layer, and this is a can, which gives a shape after you wearing this. And next lehenga, if I talk about, it's only handwork pattern. Such a beautiful handwork you can see here. The beautiful on the color, which is a satin fabric, I can say, and the handwork design which is highlighted at the bottom. The border has been given here, the beautiful border, and here is a fully handwork design with the brownish shade, and only on the silver chamki has been highlighted. You can see the chamki has been covered here. So every layer also there is a thread on the chamki color. So silver finishing with the silver part. So such exclusive lehengas you can buy from a manufacturer, biggest manufacturer, Kesaria, which is located at Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, first floor. You can come by airport, you can come by railway station. When you come from train, it takes just 10 minutes. When you come from airport, it takes just 30 minutes. The numbers are on the screen. You can just dial, you can communicate. We do have a pickup drop facility. When you're coming to India, you can directly visit Surat once. Surat is the biggest manufacturers which are located, thousands of manufacturers located, and it is a textile hub, I can say. You come, you can research, you can see many more varieties and the quality and the service. When a manufacturer is giving you the collections, you have to see the benefits. Online service, offline service, collections, colors, multiple fabrics, and what about the quality and what about the prices. And importance is main important, the communication. The communication is very most important. Around the world, the lehengas are getting manufactured and selling and exporting, because how can you communicate? I don't know Hindi, I don't know Gujarati. Many people are stuck and sitting over the place. But the Kesaria is giving you smooth conversation, online sales team, offline sales team. You just call, you just dial, have a WhatsApp chat, find out the collections of the requirements, just see and collect and place an order, enjoy your shopping, start your business. Either it is an e-commerce platform, either it is online, either it is a shop. Kesaria is going to support you. So this party wear lehengas, you can easily place an order on COD also. 7 to 10 days around India, you will receive your goods. And if you're located in out of India, there's a seat services, transport services. We provide you safe and securely. Such exclusive, unique varieties of party wear, bridal, all varieties, the dark contrast colors, settle colors, pastel colors, unique designs on depend on the festival season. It's getting manufactured and selling about. So if you're really interested, please come forward and start your business of the boutique varieties of lehengas where you can see multiple profit. I end up this video, friends. Please let me know in the comment box. How was the collections? What kind of collections you are looking for? Please let me know. Those kind of collections I will share with you. I'll do the videos, and please keep watch and share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over there. So regular uploaded videos you can watch, and you can do online shopping 24/7 with Kesaria Textile. Next video I'll come up with soon with many more new informations and videos. Keep supporting. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.